Welcome back to All In Driving and welcome under the hood of the 86. Now we're not going to do any engine work today, but what we are going to do is make engine work a little bit easier. So this latch comes from the factory, it's old school. We're going to install hood struts today. I watch a lot of Kevin Vo videos. They got a lot of cool stuff. I really enjoy watching his videos. I ordered hood struts from Prime Driven. They come with brackets, the struts, some grease, pretty much everything we should need. And we're going to get these installed, see how they go. Let's go all in. First steps are pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna loosen up these hood bolts. I am gonna do one at a time because I don't want the hood to kind of move around on me. There we go. The brackets are marked, hood and fender, and then left and right. And the sticker parts are gonna be out. It's gonna sit like this. So we'll get this one on. Top bolt I already broke open. All right, and then give them each. Okay. For the bottom, I'm looking for this bolt right here. It's the front one. It's holding the latch on, and there's not a lot of room. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to break it free, and then I'm just going to swap to my smaller wrench here. That's feeling better. Let's see what we can get. All right, we are out. So the space is even tighter now than it was getting it off. So I'm actually going to spin this away from where I want it to be and just start to dial it in a little bit. It's even tougher to get here. I'm stuck fingering this thing. Now it seems that that's the hard part, and all we've got left is to put the actual strut in here. So I'm gonna work a little bit of grease onto the ball. A little more into this lower ball. Let's see. Do the same on each side of this shock. Put the shock part at the top. Pop this top in. Whoops. Pop this top in. That was easy. And now, for the bottom, we're gonna have to lower this down. Pop that on. I still gotta do the other side, so I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna put this latch back on. I'm gonna do the other side, and we'll see how they work. And that's basically it. All we have left to do is get rid of our, let's test it out. So there it is. That took about half an hour, I'd say, total, with getting some cameras moved around, making sure everything was good. What I would suggest is starting on the driver's side. There's a little bit less space over here. And honestly, I've seen people do it with sockets, but I could not get my ratchet and socket to fit in here. So I had to use a smaller wrench. But pretty easy job, honestly, and pretty excited with how it looks, all the space I have. I can swing my arms around and it doesn't matter. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.